Okay, we're gonna unbox our new record player here. Pro-Ject Audio Systems Debut Carbon EVO red color. Nicely packed. Up. Let's have a look at the inside here. See how well it's packaged. Looks like it's very well packed. We got our, looks like our instruction page, RCA cables, and a few other odds and the ground. Looks pretty detailed, so that'll be perfect. We'll kind of take it apart here and see, get a look at it. This must be the clear lid cover. Yeah, looks pretty well packaged. Nice, like some kind of fabric or cloth or something. You're just like paper. It's almost like a pillowcase. Nice cover. Let's move this aside. Okay, now we get to the good part here. Okay. Looks like it's nicely packaged. They got foam on the bottom here, all around. And inside another pillowcase, looks like this fabric cloth pillowcase. Ooh, look at that red. Looks good. Kind of just pull it out here. Before I do that, we'll look at the bottom first. We'll take out the goods out of the bottom. So must be the power supply, maybe the 45 adapter, or no, the counterweight for the end of the needle or needle arm. This is in the bottom here, ladder, really heavy, with the felt top. Looks like it has like a rubber ring around the inside. So we'll set this aside. Pretty much that's all we have in here. It's empty. These to a side. Box on the bottom. Now we can see this thing. Whoa, look at this thing here. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that red. Ooh, looks good. Look at that. Carbon fiber arm. Look at that. Nice. Let's check the bottom. Power cord. This is the on off and the 45 and 33 RPMs. Can flip the switch. Then we have our RCA outputs here and our ground. Pretty basic. Really high quality, really heavy. Looks nice. And we'll put it together now.